What's going on, everybody? I have this boat here that has some yellowing on the hull, as you can see, and I'm going to show you today how to brighten it back up, get that yellowing away, bring it back to looking a bright white like it came brand new. I'm going to show you right now. I have a pump sprayer that's filled up with, actually it's Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and water. So I'll actually show you right here, detailing this boat today. So toilet bowl cleaner and water, and I'm going to take the pump sprayer, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the cleaner all over the hull. Make sure I get all of it. I'll do this front section for you guys. I'll go around to the other side. I hope the lighting is okay on the video. So I'm spraying pretty liberally, not, I want to soak it to the point where it's gonna sit for a little bit. So now I have the cleaner on there, and you can see I didn't really use that much for the front section right here. You can smell it. It's working. It's starting to work itself into the hull. So now I'm gonna wait about 25 to 30 minutes and let the toilet bowl cleaner do its thing. So I'm going to let this sit while I work on the rest of the boat, and in about a half hour I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna scrub it. So, all right, I'll see you guys in a half hour. All right, I want to bring you guys back in to show you, it's a little bit later in the day. I've been working on polishing the boat, and I wanted to let the chemicals kind of do their thing under here. So I just want to show you. It's kind of difficult because it's a little bit darker under here. I got my light right here, so I'm going to try to show you. But the yellowing is gone. Now, what I did was I sprayed what I showed you onto the hull, the toilet bowl cleaner, and I let it sit for 30 minutes. And then what I did again was I washed it off completely, and I sprayed it again and let it sit for another 30 minutes while I went around the boat, just to make it that much better. There was a little bit of yellowing remaining, so I wanted to give it kind of a second chance, and I let it go for another half hour, and by the time that was done, it completely brightened up. It's pretty amazing what toilet bowl cleaner can do. And that's basically it. I just wanted to show that to you guys. I'll show you one more time exactly what I used. I'll show right here. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, a smaller bottle. It's just Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Another thing that I did was in between me filming, I added another bottle because it's a smaller bottle. So the first time, I think I told you guys that I just put one of these in, filled it up with water, but I put two in and filled up that with water. If you have a pump sprayer about this size, I filled it up with two of these and the rest water, and I'm pretty happy with this. I think the owner will be too. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can get, this is one method to get yellowing off of the hull of your boat. And that's about it. Now I have the rest of this boat to polish up. I'll show you guys what I'm working on right here. So I'll post the pictures up tonight. This was all oxidized and dull, and I'm going around and polishing it up. Next boat I do, I'll make a video on how to polish this up. But I just wanted to bring you guys in on the hull today. That was one of the owner's main concerns, was all the yellowing. So I really wanted to devote a lot of my focus onto this part of the boat, so he'd be happy. So anyways, that's it right there. I also have this. I didn't use it, but I brought it just in case. That also works great. That is, this right here is a 32 ounce bottle for, that's $20, and then this is $1. And so two of those, and it'll do a great job. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna get back to work, and I hope you guys learned something. Thanks.